Little Morris Minor. Escort. Mark 1. I like them Alpha Sud.
Yeah, Alpha Romeo. I could see you in one of them.
I had a very similar car to that for my second car.
I could see you in one, mate.
There was a gold Fiesta at the one we were at yesterday. And young Paul was, oh, I remember that, being under that.
Looks neat.
Fiesta.
Granddad Pat used to have one of those. That was one of his first crowns.
MG.
MG midget, that's called. Yeah.
This is a Mark 240.
Yes.
On this, there's a Mark 3 Senior. Great crump. Not this version. Very yellow with black.
What's that? Mini.
Which is true enough. So consequently, I mean, it's the same with
Dad, I could see you in one of them as well.
Oh, fit one.
We've been there, young and down.
Ah, yeah.
Sierra, got a few of them in my tank.
That's what the bunker always used to use.
But I just want mine, I was like, I shouldn't say that.
So it's more than 400 I remember that was mechanic.
Go on and see one of them in a long time. I forgot all about them.
What?
But just super reliability.
Nice wheels on that one, isn't it?
Let's go through this way, bud.
Yeah, the cars I've seen this morning when we were picking you up. M3 across there.
Oh. Harry, can I take a photo of you with Mr. Paul? Come on, be fair.
American car.
Yeah, just stand there, don't touch it.
If you want flashy on the inside, you can.
Power the waft. Right. So this engine, which you can see better on the other side. So this engine, and that's just a non-BMW.
Mommy, is that a real car?
Sounds like a van.
Hang about.
Go indoors.